Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of find replace tool in case of Alteryx. So this tool you can find it out in the joins tab over here. So for this purpose we have to input or load the data with the help of input data tool. I'll bring this input data tool and I'll connect it with the file. So after clicking on that button or drop down, it will redirect us to the data connection window. Now I'll just click on this particular path, copy sales 2017-copy. So I'll select the sheet from this particular, I'll select the sheet named as year data, I'll select the range, I've selected a range of month 2, I'll just click on OK, then I'll just click on run. So basically what we are doing in Excel for finding out, we are clicking on Control F, then we can find out that particular value and we can replace it. Now I'll copy this and paste it in the new flow 3 over here only. I'll show you the database first. Over here we can see that particular database. So this is the range which I have been provided. So this is the range. So this is named as month 2 and it can be replaced with this particular abbreviation in full form. So the month is being provided in terms of abbreviation. So we have to provide that find abbreviation and replace it with the full form. So abbreviation is over here and it will be replaced with this particular full form. Now I'll go to this particular. By default it is selected as month 2. Now I'll just click on abbreviation, click on OK, then I'll click on run, so that the abbreviation and full form will be available in the result workflow. Yeah, so we have to find this particular abbreviation and it can be replaced by this particular full form and it will be represented in the month field or month column. Now I'll go to this joins tab, bring this find replace tool in the workflow canvas. Now we have not connected it with, so I'll connect it with the find input data, then I will connect it with the replace. So in this particular find replace tool, we have to observe it carefully. So when I'll click on this particular output anchor of first input data tool, so this month is being provided in the abbreviation, that is short form. And when I'll be clicking on this second input data tool, where we have taken the range name as abbreviation, over here the abbreviations are being given and we have to replace it with the full form. Now I'll go to this particular find replace tool. It is not as simple as that in case of Excel, where we are going to find it with in the toolbar menu bar. The find replace tool is available in Excel, or we can use Control F. But over here we have to specify. Now we have to specify that within the month, then we have to use this particular find abbreviation, then replace it with the text value of full form. Now you have to find out whatever will be there in the column name, that is field name month. So in the month field or in the month column, it is given as short form. We have to find the abbreviation. Abbreviation is given in the short form only. We have to replace it with the full form. Now I'll just click on run. So over here we can see that in the month column or in the month field, the data which is available is in the full form. So you can see over here, when I click on this particular output anchor of input data, it is being given in the short form. When I click on this particular output anchor of input data to second, so it is also given in the abbreviation full form. When I click on this particular, so it is being replaced. So over here it is being replaced, find replace. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.